Got a lot of shoes to unbox and take a look at. Let's do it. What is up, guys, and welcome back. Interesting video today. So if you're like my age and stuff, you remember all the classics, and all the classics are coming back. The Jordan brand started it, started retro and all this stuff, and now everything is doing it, and I love it. I love it. So today we're going to take a look at some of the best runners of all time that have been redesigned and come out for all their anniversaries and everything. Take a look at them. They're crispy, fly, fresh. You're gonna love them. Boom. Real quick shout out to the New Era hat. Check this thing out, man. It's the away color, Cincinnati Reds, whatever you want. These things are limited edition on their website, neweracap.com. And look at this. Ooh. Look at the underbill on that. That is sick. Check them out. First shoe I want to talk about. You go all the way back to 1990 and you got one of Nike's highest selling shoes of all time. One of the most popular. This thing can be styled in so many different ways. It's the Air Max 90. Holy cow, what a heavy hitter. This right here, obviously this isn't my Air Max 90, this is my wife's. It can be cleaned up a little bit and stuff. I wanted to feature this one because you can see all the stuff you can do with it. Animal print here, all the different colors and stuff. Everybody's seen these. These are sick, they're timeless, and they've been around forever. So what happens? Check it out. Nike has this plan and they go, look, we need to make a new Air Max. We make one every so many years or whatever. It's gonna be a heavy hitter, what should we do? And they say, let's bring back the classic, just update it. They make the new Air Max 90 and they call it the 2090, and it's bad mofo. It's bad mofo. So we all know what happens. The pandemic hits and the pandemic swallows up all of its glory. People aren't going to malls, they're not going to stores, they're not seeing it. So lost in the midst of 2020 was the Air Max 2090 release, updated of these. I've got a couple of them here in boxes. It just showed up. Let's cut them open and I'll show them to you. Nike.com, Finish Line, Foot Locker, Champs, East Bay, whatever. Oh yeah, a little bit more of a traditional color. Nice clean shoe. I like to wear these with jogger pants and stuff in the springtime. Look at that, oh yeah. You got the air hidden in there, kind of ghosted. Nice big air bubble with that kind of Yeezy look on the back. Air bubbles all the way through. You got this tongue with this offset thing. Really light, nice. So looking at that, you can see the nodes, the little air right there in the same spot with the air bubble. The back's got that updated new runner look to it. Same kind of shape. Nice. Looks good. We'll put those aside and I want to show you one a little bit more. Let's just say if there's a party, this next one's not driving. By the way, the first shoe was called the White and Green Abyss. This one right here is called the Magma Eggplant. Oh yeah. These will cost you about $160 a pair. Oh yeah, sick. And you start to get that feel like they can do anything they want with the color scheme, just the way that these did. Oh yeah. Notice how this one hits with different accent colors instead of all being the same. There's your Air Max 2090s, a little bit of respect paid back to the Air Max 90. Now it's time for the war. Some of the young generation might not know back in the day, there was two brands that were fighting it out. My dad's generation and stuff, that was Converse and all that, but then here comes Nike, here comes Reebok. They're hitting hard. They're hitting hard. You got Nike signs Jordan, you got Reebok signs Shaq. They're going at it, but Nike just in future they just took off. But back in those days, they had the Reebok Classic. The Reebok Classic is back. It's back. So I got a little clip. I'll show that to you in a second from the company. These Reebok Classics, they have this nice clean style. It's coming back. It was Drake. Drake wore them on the NBA floor sitting there. And then the Kardashians saw that. And then the Kardashians were wearing them. And then it was just like, boom, everybody's got to go get you some Reebok Classics. Gotta get some Reebok Classics. Woo! I remember having these when I was young. And check it out. I got a pair right here of the Reebok Classics from 2015. No need to unbox it, but check these bad boys out. They are a suede, and they've got wax coated strings and a split cork and rubber sole. They're sweet. Look at those real quick, then I'll show you the video of how they created them. I forget what these are called since I ordered them. I'm gonna give you the name of them before I forget. Here we go. Oh yeah. There we are. Once again, it's like the same shoe, but just brought right into the modern day era. So you got the same exact design, but everything's elevated on a higher platform. It's so light. It's like the bottom of the original one is on like steroids. It's super thick grooves and all that, but it's just so light. And then I forgot to mention, this thing is made from recycled materials as well. Good job, Reebok, for bringing it back. I'm excited.
We created the new classic leather legacy to celebrate Reebok's rich heritage in running. We were inspired by the Aztec, a Reebok running shoe from 1979 that took Reebok from a local shoe company out of the north of England to a truly international sports brand. We also took design cues from our iconic classic leather. But for this project, we did not want to just look backwards. We dug into the archive, looking for motivation, looking for a spark. We took product details from the Aztec, product details from the classic leather, mixed them up, but then we modernized the shoe to bring this model into the future, providing you with something that feels progressive and new. Inspired by the past, this shoe will create a legacy of its own.
Forgot to show you the insides. Reebok Recycled, and check this out. It's got these little like things in here. These are simply amazing on both sides. Last look going down the line. There you go. Air Max 2090s cost you $160 each. The Reebok Recycleds will cost you whopping $76. I feel bad for Reebok. Like they're trying so hard. Nobody's paying attention. So they're cheap. Get them for somebody. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this one, I've got all kinds of like Jordan releases and stuff on here. I've got a pair of custom Air Force Ones coming in that I designed myself. They're on their way. We can go over those when they get here. Lots of other stuff planned, lots of videos. So check back, check out my channel. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Check it out, check it out. That is all I have for today. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.